How to redeem Finish Line gift card online. For this, go ahead and open up a browser that you prefer and search for Finish Line. So you have to go ahead and tap on the first suggestion and make sure it is the official web page of Finish Line. To redeem your gift card, you have to purchase an item from Finish Line. So let's go ahead and shop a while, shall we? So you can easily go ahead and enter email address to sign in, or you can just do a window shopping. For an example, I have selected this Jordans right here that I have been eyeing for months. The first step is to just go ahead and tap on the item that you want to purchase. Make sure you select the size of your shoe, and you can just tap on ship and address or store pickup, then tap on add to bag. Tap on view bag and wait for it to load. So right here in your purchase summary, you should find enter or coupon code option. You just have to go ahead and tap on it, and right here you have to enter the code that is at the back side of your gift card. Once you do that, you will see substantial deduction in your actual price. Then all you gotta do next is pay for your purchase. And just like that, you'll be able to redeem your Finish Line gift card. Isn't it simple? Make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.